everybody, this is Pastor Hollywood. I'm right here with a U-Turn 180. And man, these cats right here, this is Adrian, this is Jalen. These cats are cool, man. I mean, I like them. I like to see young people on fire for God. And hey, Adrian, tell me what you've been thinking about U-Turn 180. How'd you get involved with this crazy thing they got going on down there at Horizon Church?
I was asked to, and I thought it sounded cool.
Yeah, man, it is cool, man. You know, you got young people really on fire for God. Wait, what are you doing with the gun, boy? You can't bring a gun to church. What the heck is that? You carrying a gun with you? Do you go to school with that? Well, how do you think you go to church? You think you got to carry a gun in church?
No.
Is there violence in schools?
Yeah.
So what are you having to do? Do we have to put in metal detectors before we go into class now?
No.
Yeah, they have those.
They got those?
Yes.
Now why is that? Why is it like that? You know what I think it is? I think it is because we can't have God in school no more. Anything y'all want to say before we get out of here?
Don't take guns to school.
Don't take guns to school. Anything for you, Jalen?
Don't abuse guns and use them for violence.
Exactly. Hey, target practice. Hey, I ain't got no target on my back. Y'all love Pastor Hollywood.
Yeah.
Y'all glad I came over here tonight? Man, I love you boys. I'm glad y'all serving God. Y'all tell everybody, uturn180.com. Y'all check it out. These cats are cool, man. They got music videos on there. And you know Pastor Hollywood, he loves to endorse good things. Horizon Church, myhorizonchurch.com. That's where you boys go to church at, ain't it?
Yes.
That's a cool church, man. I'm telling you what. Y'all get there. Y'all plug in at your local church. And God bless you. We love you. Pastor Hollywood loves you.